want me to do it? Okay. Gatorade, is that?
Okay.
This box is actually over on this one.
Okay, ready? Those aren't in the straight line. Oh, and another thing. Speaking of straight lines, when you are on course, this is one way that judges judge you. Is they don't judge you on how straight you are. They don't judge you on how straight your dog is. They judge you on how straight the sheep are. So nice, calm, cool, collected sheep moving together in a straight line away from dog gets you the good scores. And when you do it with a Belgian, it really pisses the border collie.
You get a lot of applause. You get a lot of applause.
Yeah. And then they offer you dogs because if you get hard with a Belgian, you might as well have a border collie. You say,
They have a real dog.
yeah, that's what they. Well, that's what they think that border collies are. Okay, ready? Okay, come on, sheep. Down! I need a little more dust on me. You are going to be properly trained, right? You're going to do a nice walk.
She's a Belgian.
She's not a border collie. That was Belgian.
It depends what day it is.
I found my dirty piece, so I made her dirty.
All right, our sheep are out here now. Are you ready?
Leslie.
Okay, heel.
Leslie, you gotta be Theo and go.
Hustle.
Now I know what to be for Halloween, is she? Here you go. There you go.
Sheep are quiet. They're eating. They're all eating. They're all eating. They're not paying any attention to the dog.
Bad dog.
She's making it easy for the dog. I see how it is.
You're at a feeding station. You're not too close to the fence.
All right.
Sheep don't talk.
Are you ready?
See, babe? We're all holding together eating. We're doing fine.
First place.
We were supposed to stay away from the dog. The dog's gonna die. Didn't you get the sheep
You're supposed to go to the handler. Go to the herder.
Oh!
Go to the herder.
Down.
Wait until you see this on YouTube.
Hey, new people, see, remember? Herder's the safety, so we're staying over here.
Shannon, you've got to put this on KBTC.
Yeah.
Ideally, the dog moves them at a rate where they stay together and you don't disperse. Or second thought. You go too fast.
First we're too slow, now we're too fast.
We have flighty sheep, people. Down. Way. Down. Way.
Slinking down like
Eye contact.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Just so I would make sure you guys were okay out there.
Few too many more. You want to be a sheep?
we need more sheep.
Nobody's bag.
Too many margaritas for those sheep.
One sheep on the outside edge. You have to get all 3 sheep in the line. There we go. And the dog can't go through.
Hey, man,
The dog's laughing too hard.
I'm laughing too much.
Sky thinks she totally lost it.
No, we've act. All right, stop. This actually does happen quite a lot. Okay. But we have made it around outside obstacles.
Okay.
Okay. So now we have to go through the middle one. So now we have to get the dog to get the sheep back over here. So we start from over here and drag them straight across there. And then we're on the home run to the pen again. So we are making progress, even though it's kind of discombobulated. But this does happen at trials, people. It's really good because we have light sheep down. And dogs do that at trials too.
Laugh?
What?
They laugh?
No, more than likely they go. I'm in smiling Belgium. Yeah, like Darcy, he'd be out in the middle of the field, and I'd tell him down, he'd go, "Oh, Mom, I really wasn't peeping up on you."
Being a cute little Belgian.
Down. Sheep are taking out gas.
Yes.
You went to the center row. Dog can't follow.
Down. This gate's technically closed.
Now they have to hold the sheep here at the pen before the gate. Hold them firm. Not let them run away.
But it's
Before
only
the
for a
pen
few seconds. Okay, gate is now open. Walk up.